Thank you very much for coming this morning to celebrate this momentous groundbreaking for the Key at 12. We are starting construction of Oakland's premier Class A office building, which is going to be integrated with a very important historic resource for Oakland, the Key System building.
This site has been a hole in the downtown since 1989. Many capable developers have tried to put together projects, and so we at Ellis feel really proud and very fortunate to bring this to fruition.
Does anybody remember the trolley that connected Oakland and San Francisco on the bottom deck of the Bay Bridge? That came from this site right here. This idea of a blending of Oakland's beautiful past and our inspirational and innovative future is embodied in this project.
We've spent a lot of time on the design to try to make sure we had large office floor plates with the side core configuration so that they are completely open, because the reality is that today that's what tenants want.
We're not just building beautiful buildings, we're not just renovating historic buildings, but we're investing in the community and at the same time creating a phenomenal workplace opportunity for tenants that are getting the Oakland story.